I have been talking to Amber from Blue Elephant over the last 2 years, and finally I'm here visiting the factory and the team making the CNC machine. I was very happy to see in reality what they have been telling me over the emails. That's actually true. It's capable production for CNC, and I'm strongly recommending and considering this product for the stone machines and also for the CNC nesting machine for the cabinets and stone bench tops. Yeah, it's been a pleasure coming here. Thank you.